First Alert Weather with meteorologist Ted Schmidt.
We are hearing some thunder outside, Ted.
It is the First Alert Day. Jess talking about severe weather, but so far not severe, just thunder and rain. Yeah, so a lot of things to be watching, to be concerned about, and to be monitoring closely for the rest of today. Here's the look at, as we look at some of our Lewiston Auto live cameras, rainy pavement, wet pavement here in Rochester. It's been raining since about a quarter to the hour, so maybe last half hour or so here in Rochester. Downtown getting a little wet. Austin is beginning to see some drops around the area, but a line of storms is expected to move into Austin in the next hour from the northwest. Here in the Med City, it's wet pavement, gray skies, and yes, a little bit of thunder happening as a First Alert Day. Not just the possibility of severe weather, but of course garden variety showers and storms, and that's what's happening so far. Just some showers and thunder with light to moderate rain. Strong to severe storms still possible today from now until about 5 o'clock with one wave of activity. Beyond that, another one is expected to develop along an approaching cold front. This activity migrating out ahead of the front. Begin later on with the front itself. It'll be around 9 p.m. to 1 a.m. with a level 2 risk of severe weather from the Storm Prediction Center and its daily outlook. So that's a little bit higher than the last threat we had earlier this week. Showers and storms this afternoon. Strong activity, a possibility only until a little bit after midnight tonight. Lighter showers tomorrow behind the front, and then showers and storms possible for the weekend with temperatures very summer-like, 70s, but a lot of 80s in store in the coming days. Showers now migrating south and eastward. Of course, it's raining in Rochester. There's a lot of lightning north and westward. And looking farther to the west, a stronger cluster of activity that was migrating through Mankato is intensifying as it now moves southward through Minnesota Lake and down toward Albert Lea, maybe in the next hour or so in Owatonna. Not severe so far, but the winds in that cluster of storms right now estimated to be around 30 to 40 miles per hour as that migrates southward ahead of the actual storm system north and west of us. Computer modeling right now, rain moving through the area. It'll be continuing across the map, building and moving in from the northwest from now through about 1 or 2 o'clock. Strong activity until about 4, maybe 5 with this wave, and then it pushes southward. As the atmosphere tries to destabilize, we'll clear things off, try to warm things up with that late afternoon sunshine. Depending on how that happens, that will lead us to identify the possibility of severe weather again later today after 9 o'clock. That could enhance the threat of severe weather if we destabilize again in the wake of this current wave of activity. That would happen between 9 and about 1. Storms move out tomorrow behind the front, but brief light showers, or at least light activity from around 11 a.m. until about 4 or 5 in the afternoon, and then heading into Friday. Beautiful day of sunshine, probably the quietest day of the next few, and have temperatures close to 80. Showers from the west come in on Saturday, and we'll have off and on showers and some stray thunderstorms during the day on Saturday into Saturday night. Storm chances, again, strongest through about 4 or 5 o'clock. They may get a lull, but still a chance of rain until about 9. Then the strong activity may fire up again through the midnight hour later tonight, and as much as 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rain between now and the next 3 days, as we'll see waves of rain now through the early part of the weekend. Showers tomorrow, then maybe a couple of thunderstorms on Saturday, an early storm on Sunday, but Sunday itself mostly looking like a bright and fairly warm but pleasant, quiet Father's Day. High temperatures mostly in the 80s the next week or so, which is slightly above the seasonal average. Look for showers and thunderstorms, some strong activity still possible today. South winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Again, the primary threats, damaging wind gusts and perhaps some hail and some brief downpours of rainfall. Strong storms this evening until about 1 or 2 in the morning, then clearing skies late tonight and a diminishing breeze. 63 tonight, and a brief shower or 2 tomorrow. Breaks the sunshine, 81 with a northwest breeze for your Thursday. And the 7-day forecast will have chances of thunder again over the weekend. Saturday, perhaps part of Sunday, and more of that summer heat building next week as well.
Yeah, heat and instability. Those are some themes here.
It is. This is more of a typical June than last June was. This is kind of what you normally see around here.
Okay. Thank you, Ted.